is on his way to Knapford Station. Gordon is on his way to Brendam Docks. Henry is on his way to Brendam Docks. 1. Hello, I'm Thomas. I'm a really useful engine. 2. Edward is a good friend to everyone. 3. Henry is the number 3 engine. 4. Gordon is on his way to Maithwaite Station. 5. James is on his way to Tidmouth Sheds. 6. Percy is on his way to Tidmouth Sheds. 7. Toby is a really useful steam tram. 8. Rosie is on her way to Brendam Docks. 9. Salty is on his way to Knapford Station. 0.
Thank you. You are really reliable.
1. I'm on my way to Brendam Docks. 2. Edward is on his way to Tidmouth Sheds. 3. Henry is on his way to Brendam Docks. 4. Gordon pulls the express. 5. James loves his shiny red paintwork. 6. Percy delivers the mail. 7. Toby is on his way to Knapford Station. 8. Rosie is a really quick engine. 9. Salty likes to tell tales of the sea. 0.
Hello, it's the Fat Controller.
Rosie is on her way to Maithwaite Station. Toby is on his way to Knapford Station.